Hey guys, just wanted to let you know before we start the video, these are the instructions that I whipped up as a PNG. You can just pause the video and look at them like this, or I'll provide a download link in the description so you can have it for yourself. Thanks for watching.
So, I'm gonna pull this out. Okay. It's just some grease or something. So, we're just gonna throw that on my seat. And this is the second plug we need. And the first plug is this one. The pink one down here. It's clear as day. This is our trunk switch. These instructions, fuck them. This is our wiring harness. Those look like, I want to say 17 was my gut, but 15 is kind of what I'm thinking. Oh, this wiring harness is horribly loose. Okay, these are our taps. I already have the spades on the ends because I just did that off screen. I see a lot of rust. Fuck me, man. I'm gonna have to take this whole dash off and clean that up. It's not a 15. Is that like a 13 or something weird? Why is it they always use such weird sizes? Oh no, I guess it's just that. So I'm gonna start off by connecting the ground. Just to get that bad boy connected. This is the most shoddy ground connection I've ever made in my life. Okay, so now I'm gonna try and get this frickin' accessory clip out. This is the bad boy we're looking for. And we're looking for, well, there's two purple wires on this. Probably the first one. Let me just refer to my handy dandy guide. Okay, with my instructions I printed off, made myself in a PDF. I have identified that it's this purple one. This one right here. So I need to cut some of this cabling back, some of this sheathing. Holy shit, I don't know what the fuck they make this out of. Cables. It's either it pulls down or it pulls up. Looking for that pink boy. So, on this, the yellow-blue stripe is this one. Okay, so should have just pulled the trim earlier. This is just gonna snap. The only way I know how to get this out is by forcing it out. It's been so long since I took this out last. Fuck that piece of trim. I definitely didn't go to trim removal school. Okay, well, that's not bad. Ow. Got that piece of trim out too. So it looks like I'm gonna have to take this and this. So the last one I used was a 10. This is a 7. These 7s are usually stupid long. I don't see why it would be screwed in and have clips. I lost my climate control thing. That moves a lot better now. What is that? I mean, I don't just want to yank it out. Fuck me, Captain! Okay. Ah! Note to self, that shit hurts. Okay. So for this one, we want to tap into the yellow unlock wire. So I'm just gonna fucking grab this while we're here. Double check that you're still recording. You are? Yeah, don't you dare slip out. Put that on the wire, force her shut, and you have a solid connection, my man. Now that we're done with that, I'm gonna take a few seconds to install the module. Ah, I really hurt my... Also, on another note, where is the climate control module thing? Oh, there it is. I found it. It fell on the floor. Okay, right now I'm worried about getting a Phillips to install that. I can see that. I don't know where they go, but that's gonna be held on tight either way. Oops. I guess I should have removed the radio too. Gonna wreck your shit like I do. I'm gonna have to take this out by hand. Well, at least it'll be another video installing another one of these plastic pieces, because I'm dumb enough to break mine. I hope I don't bend that too much. So we're gonna leave that installed. And we're just gonna fucking push that back there for now. I'm gonna have to replace that whole trim piece. That's another time. Another problem for another time. So we're gonna slip that bad boy in. And put the screws in. I guess I should just follow those ones, eh? Back down out through there. So, I'm gonna go back down there and feed the wire through. So I've got the car on so I can charge my phone. I'm gonna go back over there.
So at this point, I'm just connecting the power from the vampire tap on the unlock button and lock button to the unlock trunk switch. So when I press it, it'll just be feeding from power from one to the other.
Okay. Actually matches the color good too. No, we'll have to grease it. That's later. Okay, so now that we got that part wired up, that needs to be snuck back down, down. Oh, that's so squeak, squeak, squeak. It's okay. So we're just gonna press all of that back down. Down, 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 dee, dee, dee. Yeah, we're not gonna sing. It's cringe. No. No one asked. Stop. Stop. This is unconsensual air conditioning. Stop. Okay, now that the air fiasco is over, that looks okay. It's fully back in place. So I have to go back down there now, and I have to install these two and do some more wiring. Okay, so now this is all the wires that's left. So I just have to take this, double check our instructions. So white to this one, and then this. Yellow with blue stripe. So then I'm just going to take this connector. Not a lot of room on this one, but whatever.
Again, at this point, I'm just going to take the red wire and attach it to the yellow and blue wire in the pink plug. And that's all we're doing with this boy.
I don't know why that computer makes a dying noise. Unless there's something living in my car. So now this one. Oh, there's a squirrel around making a dying noise. Now that it's all wired up, I want to give it a shot. Nothing. Okay, it worked that time. But it should also unlock the car. I don't think that connection's working. Okay guys, different day. I'm here in the car again. I just want to show you that the trunk button does work. Just give this bad boy a press. Trunk open. And then there you can see the trunk's open. That's the gist. It was a little bit of a pain, but I did get it installed.
Hey guys, sorry for the weird ending to this video, but bear with me. So it's not supposed to, when I press the trunk open button, unlock the doors, because if it did, then it would throw the trunk open when I'm driving if I press the unlock button or the trunk button. And so that's a good thing, and I'll take that. And it's been quite a bit of time since I installed it and I've done the video, so it's been working awesome, works flawlessly, and I have to put the car in park and have the car unlocked to do the trunk button, which doesn't bother me because when I put the car in park, it unlocks the doors anyways. So all said and done, I'm happy with the switch, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for checking in.